Say hi! Hi, hi, hi. We are making some cookies. Who's excited? So we're making some double chocolate avocado cookies. Okay. We'll show you what we did. Literally, I mushed up 2 avocados in here so far. And that's what it looks like. That's all. That's all we've done so far. Okay, and we are going to get going with the avocados, right? If I can get this bowl on. Okay, those are last, honey. I know you're super excited for the chocolate chips, aren't you? Yeah! You can put the flour in, okay? So, that is flour. So, what we're going to put in first with the avocados are eggs, okay? So, we have 2 avocados in here. We're going to break 2 large eggs, and we're going to get these in here. When you pop on, you can say hi to us, and we don't bite. Do we bite, girls? You're like, maybe. Okay, 2 large eggs. Okay, and this is like your, I guess, quote unquote, wet ingredients. So we're going to mix our wet ingredients in together real quick, real nice and quick. Okay, and then we're going to add all the dry ingredients. So all our sugars, our flours, all that stuff, we're going to get them all added in. Okay, so our eggs are in, and now we're going to add the sugar and flours. Let's see if I can get this moved so the girls can put it in. We'll just unplug it for a minute. Okay, so girls, these ones are last. Now, what ones do you want to put in? You want to put this one in? And you want to put that one in. Okay. Alright, so Evelyn is going to put in the flour. So this is a 1/4 cup almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, you can, of course, use coconut flour. And it's about, 1/2 of it. So it's about 1/8 of the coconut flour would be the equivalent of that. This is the swerve. So we have white swerve here that we're using for our sugar replacement. And you got that. Move it nice and close to you. We're putting that in. Good job. Okay, Mommy's going to put in the rest, okay? Then you girls can both put in some chocolate chips. Deal? Awesome. Deal. Okay, so just move this over again so I can plug it back in. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the cocoa powder. This is 1/2 cup of that. They're in. And of course, if you want the written recipe, you just put recipe and we'll get you the written recipe, of course, at any point in time during this video. This is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to put that in, and then we're going to mix this all together, okay? And I'm going to show you what it looks like after we're all mixed in. And then we're going to mix in the chocolate chips, okay? So as this is getting all mixed together, our oven right now is currently getting preheated to 350 degrees, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now we're mixed in. We're going to do this. You see all that chocolatey goodness on here? Hey girls, do you see it? Are you excited? They're like, oh, chocolate cookies. You can wait a minute, honey, okay? Gonna get rid of all the stuff on here so it's not dripping off when I take the bowl off. To show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Okay, we are done with this mixer. Just taking this off. Okay. get this out of the way so y'all can see what's going on here. Okay, so we got chocolate in there, okay? And we're gonna mix the chocolate chips in, okay? So you want to sprinkle, here, take a handful. A big handful, as big as you can. And put them in. Take a big handful. Take a big handful, please. Yeah, it's a very big handful. Yeah. And then you can put the rest in. No, take the bowl, honey. Take the bowl. You don't need to do a handful. And you dump it. So these are Lily's dark chocolate chips, okay? You can stick them in, and they're unsweetened dark chocolate chips. And you can get those on Lily's dark chocolate chips. You can get them on Amazon. And also, I think you can get them at most health food stores, okay? I looked at the organic section here in town at Loblaws, because that's where we do get a lot of our keto stuff. It's where we can find our swerve and our almond flour. And I do not see them there, but that might be just our Loblaws. Your Loblaws might have it. Who knows? Who knows? So this is the batter, okay? And now we're going to bring our tray over. And we're going to place them on the tray. And we're just going to make some pretty small cookies. They're not going to be big. Okay? And we just kind of like... drip it on just kind of like this. Can you bring the camera over? So we can see. Just like that, okay? So that's basically the size of cookies that we make. So that's our video for today, and we'll be coming in another time this week for some more cooking for you guys. Okay, you want to say bye, girls? Bye!